What's up, everybody? I'm Laura. Today I'm going to show you how to get a custom view going in Event Viewer. So first you're going to type Event Viewer in your start menu, no matter what version of Windows you got. We're going to full screen it so we get rid of all those mirrors. Okay, and right from here, you're on the right side, you're just going to go to Create Custom View. From this menu, you're going to click exactly which one you want to see. I've been having a lot of crashing issues, so I'm going to go with Critical, Logged, and some kind of time window, the last hour. Um, Yours may be different, but if you're getting a lot of crashes, there's going to be quite a few error messages depending on how many of these events it is you click. And then which type of log you want to see? I want to see Windows logs. Sure. And just click OK, see what pops up. Okay, new view. Give it some time to populate, and we'll see what shows up. In this case, I don't have any critical errors because I'm on my new computer. But let's say create custom view. Let's go to just warnings. I'm sure there's a lot of warnings in the last 12 hours. And what kind of warnings? Let's go with application and services. Sure. Okay. Oh, clear of events. So are you sure you want to do that? Yeah, sure. Let's go with it. And here you see some warnings. But once you get the warning, you can click it and see what the error message is. I like to copy it, paste it into Google, and see what the heck is going on my computer. Hopefully it helps you out. If it did, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.